How to use YouTube new radio feature. To use this feature, you simply have to open YouTube Music. From here, you can create or build your own section from the scratch. Simply head to this library option. From here, you should be able to find this option called New. Go ahead and tap on it, then tap on this Mix option. Now select your favorite artist by simply tapping on their profile picture, or just tap on this search bar and search for specific artist. Now once you click on it, go ahead and tap this done button, and once you are done, you should be able to find related musics from that selected artist over here. Now you simply have to tap this tune option, and from here you can also add, once again, if you have left somebody out, go ahead and tap on this done, and you should be able to enjoy this quick radio from here. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.